Welcome to the Hill Law Group podcast. It is our very first episode, and I am here to introduce you to the wonderful world of estate planning and give you some tips for financial literacy. My name is Meredith Hill, and I am the owner and founder and principal attorney at the Hill Law Group. We are an estate planning firm, but based in Maryland, Bethesda, Maryland to be exact, and we service clients in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. To tell you a little bit about myself, I've been practicing law since 2011, and in 2018, I decided to open up my own firm called the Hill Law Group. I decided to specialize or focus my practice in estate planning because growing up, I did not know anything about estate planning. And this occurs often in communities of color that we just don't talk about estate planning. You see a family member die, and then fighting ensues, and you just think that's normal. So when I decided to open up my practice, I volunteered with the state bar, and I did estate planning for low-income seniors in Baltimore City. And I learned that there was a better way to make plans for yourself after you pass away that didn't include fighting, that actually went around fighting. So I delved into that and I wanted to learn more about estate planning, and here I am. So our practice is solely focused on estate planning. This is what we do day in and day out. And over the course of our practice, we've learned that and discovered that not many people know what estate planning is. So I wanted to start this podcast to educate people out there about estate planning, and so you can learn a little bit more. So each one of our episodes is going to focus on key aspects of estate planning and give you some key information and little tidbits that you can pass along to your friends and family, and you can learn a little bit more about what to do when you're no longer here, as well as when you're also here. So we look forward to you joining each episode, and thank you for joining our podcast.